There are two different purposes for spousal support. For the temporary spousal support, we're just trying to maintain the status quo of both parties as close as possible to the marriage. For the permanent spousal support, we're trying to maintain the marital standard of living during the marriage. The only advantage that you will have regarding spousal support if you are the lower income spouse. Basically, if you're making higher income, you probably will end up paying some temporary spousal support if the other spouse has the need. Permanent spousal support is a completely different story. The court will have to do a detailed analysis of about 14 factors, which include the length of the marriage, the age of both parties, the income of both parties, the earning capacity of both parties, history of domestic violence, and many other factors, such as if one spouse had longer period of unemployment, if he or she dedicated himself or herself to domestic duties. That's how permanent spousal support is determined in California. There's no bias towards man or woman. It could be a social bias, but definitely not in the courts. Each spousal support case is unique. It depends on the employment status of each spouse. Self-employed spouses are more challenging. Some spouses don't work or try to lessen their work hours when the spousal support presents itself to the court. Therefore, we have to do earning capacity. Earning capacity can be determined by vocational evaluation. A lot of people try to hide asset, try to hide income. That's why you need an experienced family law attorney to go and explore all those avenues and subpoena bank statements and bank accounts. I've been handling spousal support cases for over 11 years. I've handled thousands of those cases. I've done dozens of vocational evaluations, and we have done over 20 forensic accountants to determine the cash flow available for support.